In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money inside Moneygram. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up a Moneygram. Now from here, we've got a couple of different ways how we can send money. We can scroll down and click on send money using this button here, or click send at the bottom of the page. I'm going to click send. And now, so it will say send money. So it will say you're sending to Philippines. You can change that to any country. So choose the country you want to send. So I'm going to click Australia. And at the bottom here, that will show you a quick summary. So if I send $100, it's going to give me pretty much $2 worth of fees. So I need to scroll down, choose payment method. So if I want to do debit card, I can do credit card if I like, but credit card incurs greater fees, so be careful with that. And receive method, direct to bank account. We can do cash pickup, choose either or. If you've got a promo code, you can go ahead and add one there too. Once you like that, you want to click continue, and then you want to select the receiver. So we can add from contacts if you've got any saved contacts in your Moneygram app, or we can add manually. So if it's in your receiver, go ahead and click on add manually. From here, you need to put in their phone number, the legal first name, their legal last name, and any middle name if listed. Then click continue, and then it'll take you over to where you can send money in Moneygram.